An apple a day keeps the doctor away is a quite old but wise saying. Dear students, today we are going to start with the next chapter, chapter number 6, Health and Diseases. As you all know, health is a wealth. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about how we can keep ourselves healthy and disease free. It is clearly tells the role of the food in maintaining good health in the previous chapter. Nutritious foods keep us strong and healthy. Good health is a state of well-being of body, mind, and being free from diseases. Before going further with this chapter, we'll just discuss about what is a disease. Disease means dis-ease means the disturbed state of the body. When our body is not able to function properly or any of the part of the body is not working properly, the condition is known as disease. Disease is an unhealthy condition of the body in which the affected person is not able to carry out normal life activities. It does not allow the body to function properly. A disease affects the health of a person. Now, the question arises, how is a disease caused? Basically, the disease is caused due to some reasons like infection by germs. Sometime our body may get infected with any of the germs. Improper functioning of some body part. Sometime our body part like our arm is not working properly or our stomach is or any of the body part or the organ is not functioning properly, then we are suffer with disease. Okay. Lack of nutrition in diet. Sometime we'll suffer due to lack of nutrition in our diet, like if we are not consuming vitamin A in our diet properly, our eyesight get weak. So these are the nutritious diseases. If we are not consuming carbohydrate in a right amount, then especially the kids are suffer from a disease called kwashiorkor. So these are the diseases that are basically based on the nutrition or the food that we are consuming. Now we are going to discuss about type of diseases. Basically, diseases are of two types: communicable or infectious diseases, non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Communicable means the diseases which spread from one person to another. Means the disease spread from the infected person to healthy person. So these type of diseases are known as communicable diseases. These diseases are caused by microorganisms called germs. Germs enter the body and increase in number. As they grow and reproduce, they cause damage to body cells. These germs cannot be seen with the naked eye because of their very small size. These can be observed only under a microscope. That's why they are called microorganisms. These germs are carried from a sick person to a healthy person, either by direct contact or through air, food, water, or insects. Now we are going to discuss about different type of diseases causing bacteria or disease causing bacteria. Like here you can see the picture of the bacteria that can cause cholera, bacteria causing tuberculosis, bacteria causing tetanus, bacteria causing typhoid, bacteria causing pneumonia.